Don't let it whoop you.
It's going to.
It's getting there. Oh, I'm videotaping?
Yeah. It's Friday, which means it's time to make a cocktail. I wish you guys could see my mom right now. Cameron Diaz has sent me some wine in the past. I had to buy this myself, so this is with my own money.
Yeah, but not this one is with my own money.
A little bit about Aveline is that Cameron Diaz owns this brand. All of the wines are vegan friendly and free from added sugar. They're organic, all that good stuff. I hopped on a Zoom one time and she was telling us all about wine pairings. I'll have to go back to look at my notes because I don't remember any of that. But this wine is really good. I'm going to be making a Cosmo and topping it off with some of Aveline's sparkling wine. Oh, my Good American package just got delivered. I can do an unboxing with that. So this is a behind the scenes. I'm going to post an Aveline video on my TikTok. Oh, I deleted CapCut. I typically sometimes will stabilize my videos on CapCut and I deleted it. Oh, Olivia just texted me. I'm going out tomorrow night. I'm going to Raleigh tomorrow. Oh, my Good American package.
Okay, can I stop now?
Thank you, Good American. These are the Good Curve boot cut jeans. I love boot cut, and I love a wide leg pant too. And these were really fun, so I'm really excited to wear these. They're a lighter wash, so these would be good during spring. But I think I could also figure out how to make these work this winter. I have like 5 pairs of Good American jeans. They're my favorite.
I actually have a pair.
Yeah, they're really good.
Yeah.
Thanks, Khloe Kardashian. And then to pair with this or just any other jeans, I also got a little scoop neck bodysuit. Looks a little not medium, but it's a little big.
Well, you can wear a tank up underneath it.
Yeah, I am. But I do like that burgundy color. Okay, I got a little sidetracked, but this is for my TikTok video.
Don't let it whoop you.
It's going to.
It's getting there. Woohoo.
And that's the behind the scenes of making a video. And then I edit really fast. I love editing, so I'll do that later. Okay, now we're gonna make the cocktail.
Am I still filming?
If you can, do you mind? Tito's, because it's gluten-free.
I like this gluten-free.
No.
That's true. No, she's true. It's not.
I love Grey Goose. I can't drink it anymore. We're gonna do a dash of simple, some triple sec.
You measuring from the heart?
Yep. Some lime, Diet 5 cranberry, and then my least favorite part is shaking. These should have been chilled, but it's fine. Pretty color.
Gorgeous.
Somebody on TikTok was complaining about the color of one of my cocktails. I should have commented back, but I don't listen and engage with the haters, so. And we're not wasting this. All right, guys. Cheers. Oh, that's really good. So good. We're on to something here. Alex Earl is in North Carolina, and she is going out in Raleigh tonight, but I'm going out tomorrow night, so Maybe we'll see her tomorrow night and I can buy her a shot. I DM'd her. Okay, I think I'm done with this.